Hello everyone and welcome to online video tutorial. In this video we are going to see one important MATLAB workshop. This is the 1 week free workshop which is being organized by the MNNIT Allahabad. So this is a workshop in which all of you can enroll and get to learn about the MATLAB. Who will be teaching you MATLAB? These are the experts from the MathWorks and DesignTech Private Limited. They will be teaching you, and this is completely free. This is the registration form link which you can go through. I'll be telling you complete detail in this video, so watch the video till the end. And if you see that what are the things in the MATLAB which you will be taught, because MATLAB is a big software and 1 week workshop is not the thing which you can learn everything in MATLAB. So a specific curriculum is designed, but it is designed for the computer science background students or computer science, whether you are in BTech, MTech, whatever. So machine learning, deep learning, if you want to learn about that, if you want to work in those areas, so this is designed for that. But other engineering branches like electronics and electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, you can join this workshop. It is free, and you will be learning MATLAB. MATLAB is a tool which is required by various branches simultaneously, like machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, signal processing, cyber physical system, even a graph or calculation which you do. Those kind of things also could be done on the MATLAB very easily. So Internet of Things, these kind of things, if you want to learn, so these will be taught here. Course content will be like this: introduction to MATLAB and Simulink. First of all, it will be there. Then machine learning and deep learning basics will be taught. Next thing will be the MATLAB for the ML and DL implementation, transfer learning approaches, signal processing, FIR and IIR filter designs. Then communication things will be taught. Then IoT control system. Then modeling of the multi-domain system, and then hardware and ThinkSpeak. So these are the course contents, and organization of this is from the CSE department of MNNIT. And if you want to know more about this, so these are the emails and the student coordinator numbers which you can contact. How you have to apply these things, I'll be telling you that this is the registration link. You have to just click on this and you have to fill it. So I'll be showing you that also. Before that, there is one thing, like if you go down in the second page, there is a tentative schedule. It will be held from 7th of February to 11th of February 2022. So first and second session, 2 sessions per day are planned. It is a tentative schedule. There could be changes, but if there is any change, you will be notified by the emails and through WhatsApp groups. So first session will be there 11:15 AM to the 12:45 AM, and the second session 3:30 PM to the 5 PM. You don't have to go anywhere. This will be completely online through the Zoom meeting or MS Team meeting. You will be notified later on regarding that. First of all, on 7th of February there will be inauguration and then expert training session on the MathWorks experts. Then 8th these things are planned. 9th these things are planned, and then for 10th these things are planned. 11th there is a validatory section. You will be getting certificates of this also. So these are the 2 sessions per day which you will be attending in this, and this will be completely online, completely free, so you can enroll in this. What is the processes of enrolling? First of all, you have to click on this. When you click on this, this kind of registration form opens, in which you have to fill your name, participant name. Please put the right details here, the name, email, phone number, then study of the student or teacher, whatever you are, UG, PG, PhD or teacher, department you study or under which you are working in your PhD or MTech thesis, or under which you are teaching. It is open for teachers and the students both. Affiliation, MNNIT or whichever college you are from, right? So you can put that ID card, your college ID card, because it is for college students, and or if you are teacher, so some ID card regarding that, so that will be for your identity. So those ID cards you can upload, and you have to submit, and then afterward for the processes you will be getting email from them. Okay, so advanced computing technology, 7th Feb to 11th February workshop. If you want to join this, you can just fill the form in this. If you have any further query, you can ask in the comment section. This PDF and these links will become provided in the section below in the description. If you want to see more of the MNNIT vlogs and educational videos, you can subscribe to this channel, online video tutorials. One more free workshop was held, of which I have provided notification earlier. This is the second one in this line. See you in the next video. Thank you.